A court has ordered the unidentified male charged with attempting to assassinate the Slovakian Prime Minister Robert Fico to be detained. The suspect was transported via motorcade to Slovakia's specialised criminal court for his first court appearance. Prosecutors sought the detention order for fears he could escape or commit other crimes. Ministry officials confirm Fico is in a serious but stable condition and that Parliament will resume.
Dohodli sme sa, že vláda bude pokračovať ďalej podľa nastaveného programu, ktorý nastavil on. To znamená, budúci týždeň budú minimálne 2 zasadnutia vlády, jedno štandardné a jedno osobitné kvôli rokovaniam o eurofondoch.
The 59-year-old Prime Minister was shot in the abdomen while greeting supporters in the town of Handlova. The alleged assassin shot 5 rounds before being tackled to the ground and arrested.